Hello, welcome to GTech Techno Solution Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about profit and loss. Let us see some of the important facts which you have to know to solve the problems based on profit and loss. Cost price, selling price, profit or gain, loss are some of the important facts that you have to know in order to solve the problems. The price at which an article is purchased is called as the cost price, and it is abbreviated as CP. The price at which the article is sold is called as the selling price, and it is abbreviated as SP. The selling price is greater than the cost price, then the seller is said to have a gain or profit. If the selling price is less than the cost price, then the seller is said to have incurred a loss. Let us see some of the important formula which you have to know in order to solve profit and loss problems. Your gain is nothing but the difference between your selling price and the cost price, that is SP minus CP. Whereas your loss is the difference between your cost price and the selling price, that is CP minus SP. Loss or gain is always reckoned on CP, that is, it is always dependent on your cost price. The gain or loss percentage can be calculated using the formula gain percentage is equal to gain by CP into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. We are going to see the formulas to find your selling price and cost price given your gain percentage and loss percentage. So to find the selling price for particular gain percentage is SP is equal to 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. The cost price for gain percentage given is cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percentage into SP. The selling price for loss given your loss percentage is SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. Whereas your cost price for loss percentage given is CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So, let us see our first example on profit and loss. Vijay bought a laptop for $8,000 and he spent additional $500 on its spares. He later sold the laptop for $9,500. You have to find the gain or loss percentage. Let us see the logic behind solving this question. These pattern of questions appear in government, bank and higher studies exam. The logic is, first, you have to add the cost and the expenses that is invested on the laptop. And you have to check whether this is a profit or loss by comparing the investment with the sold price. You have to get the gain or loss percentage using the formula profit or loss percent is equal to profit or loss by CP into 100. Let us see how to apply the logic to solve the sum. The cost price includes the overhead expenses, that is $8,000 plus $500, which gives your cost price to be $8,500, and your selling price is $9,500. Since your selling price is greater than your cost price, it is said that you have obtained a profit. The profit is calculated using the formula SP minus CP, that is 9,500 minus 8,500. So your profit is $1,000. To find the profit percentage, we have the formula as profit by CP into 100. We know that our profit is $1,000 and your CP is $8,500. So 1000 by 8,500 into 100 gives you 200 by 17, which on tallying you get 11.76%. That can be rounded off as 12%. So our answer is option B.